Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Enoylity Tech. It's Milind over here. Hope you're in pink of your health and happy. Today in this video, we are going to unbox and review this amazing wireless earbuds from Yoleo. And a good news guys, with this unboxing and review, we are also giving away 1 unit of this amazing wireless earbuds. So continue watching this video for this complete giveaway details. But before that, first taking a look at our sponsors. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is basically an online learning community with over 29,000 different classes in design, business, technology, filming, and many more. Now you have seen some amazing CGI based concept trailers on our channel, and you asked us questions like how these 3D renders are created, or maybe you yourself want to create some amazing animations like this. So now with the help of Skillshare, you can very easily learn these things. Simply visit the Skillshare link in the description down below to get 2 months free trial, so you guys can try it out to learn as much as you can. And again, it is really an amazing platform. If you guys even want to teach yourself, then there are spots available so you can teach and even earn a little bit of extra money. So definitely go check out Skillshare from the links in the description down below. So getting back to the unboxing of this wireless earbuds package, guys, we all pretty much know that there are many earbuds out there in the market, but in terms of price, features and usability, these are probably the best wireless earbuds you can find in this year 2019, with some amazing ratings and review on Amazon as well, which you can directly check out from the link in the video description down below. Once we open it up, we basically get all the essential stuff. First of all, we have the wireless earbuds itself inside their battery case. And then we have this USB Type A to micro USB cable to charge the case and the earbuds, in which there are also some extra pairs of buds for your easy compatibility to fit them in your ears. Other than this, we also have this quick start guide with a feedback form. And that's all pretty much what we get inside this box. So keeping these things aside for a while, taking a look at our wireless earbuds, after opening up the case, we simply find our left and right earbuds are there inside it. So taking a look at them, the design of this wireless earbuds is really compact, and they are also very light in terms of weight, which is also a positive side of them, as this makes them really easy and convenient to stay hold on our ears even for a long time without any problems. With this, first of all, I really like the overall build quality of this outer battery case in which these earbuds are kept. It really looks cool and seems that it is made up of some kind of premium kind of plastic material, which really looks amazing in this glossy and matte black upper and lower texture finishes. And at the back side of this case, we are having the micro USB charging input to charge the case and this wireless earbuds. Now jumping onto its actual performance and experience, after the initial setup of once pairing them via Bluetooth with our phones, from that point this earbuds gets automatically connected with our phones whenever next time we take them out of their case. It's really very easy and convenient, as taking these earbuds out of their case powers them on and putting them back powers them off and starts the charging. In addition to this wireless earbuds has Bluetooth 5.0 technology support, and hence this earbuds works flawlessly even up to a maximum of 10 meters distance in terms of their connectivity. With this, the most important part, the actual sound quality of this earbuds is really very nice. The sound is very clear and feels natural while hearing. But the bass isn't that super heavy. It's actually from moderate to high. So if you are a very heavy bass lover, then you will need to think about this once again before purchasing this wireless earbuds. On the other hand, these wireless earbuds are perfect and flawless for using them during your workouts in the gym, and they will be perfect. As being wireless, there is no problem of managing the cables and wires like in case of the wired earphones. These wireless earbuds also have a good quality built-in microphone for answering calls and is pretty clear and really good, as the people on the other end of the call can really hear us clearly. Also, these earbuds have easily pressable button controls on them, which helps to manage phone tasks very easily without even touching our phone. Like, we need to simply press once to play and pause, double press to go to the next track, And amazingly, we can also activate our voice assistants like Siri while pressed for a long. Only one con I figured out, that there is no option to go back to the previous track. So after this video, if they update this feature, then it will really make this earbuds perfect for listening to music. Now in terms of the battery performance, this wireless earbuds has 3 hours of playback time on a single charge. And as this case also has an internal battery in it, so in total of 12 hours while using with the charging case. In terms of the price, this amazing wireless earbuds are available on Amazon in just $35 with 3 months refund and replacement, and also with a complete 1-year warranty. So considering all the amazing features that this wireless earbuds offers in respect to its price tag of just $35 with a 1-year warranty, this earbuds are almost one of the best earbuds of this year. If you want to get this amazing wireless earbud, then simply check out the Amazon link in the description down below. Now regarding the giveaway, for which we all are very excited. Guys, as you all pretty much know that already the 200,000 subscribers 10 winners giveaway of the top wireless chargers is actively running. So you will be happy to know that we are also adding this amazing Yoleo wireless earbuds in it. So now there will be 11 winners in total. Other than this, all the giveaway rules are the same. You simply need to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications about the latest upcoming trailers and videos. And you need to comment in this upcoming videos during this 1-month giveaway period. This giveaway will be active till the 22nd July 12 AM EST. And all the 11 winners will be selected and declared on the 1st of August 2019. So stay positive and optimistic about the things, guys, and be active for the upcoming latest updates and the iPhone 11 trailers as well. Other than this, if you have any questions regarding this video or giveaway, please let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And please like and share this review of this amazing wireless earbuds. Maybe this can help someone who is trying to figure out to which earbud to purchase in this year. Once again, guys, this is Milan from Enoylity Tech. I will catch you guys in the next episode. For now, peace out.